highest railway bridge. It stands tall in Jammu and Kashmir over the Chenab River. This bridge is located in the Rayasi district, and it reaches an astonishing height of 359 meters. That's even taller than the Eiffel Tower. The construction of this engineering marvel took years of dedication and innovation. As workers tirelessly labored to realize this vision, the surroundings transformed, blending nature's beauty with human ingenuity. The bridge not only symbolizes progress, but also connects distant regions, fostering unity and development.